welcome back to another Allure Beauty Box unboxing. Today we've got the May Beauty Box, so we're going to open it up and see what's inside. So we've got another one of these little ads for the member store with stuff on it you can additionally buy. Not worried about that. Then we have the little booklet for May, which has Freshen up. Spring showers have nothing on this month's box. The products inside are packed with moisture delivered in the most elegant formulas for dewy skin, radiant hair, and smooth, plump lips. There's a Verb hair oil that works a bit of magic, adding tons of shine without feeling like anything at all. A firming Avant serum that's loaded with workhorse skin smoothing and plumping ingredients, and one of our all-time favorite sunscreens from La Roche-Posay to keep you protected as you get ready for the summer months ahead. Though it's so luxe, you'll happily wear it year-round. So first thing in here, we have this Avant Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum, which might actually be full size, according to the picture. Oh shit, it is. This little thing is $125. Let that sink in, my goodness. Why, you'll love it. The laundry list of ingredients displayed on the tube may be a little incomprehensible without a chemistry degree, but there's a reason they're front and center. This smoothing, plumping serum is packed with tried and true star ingredients. Hydrolyzed collagen is one of the rare ingredients that can help firm. Lecithin moisturizes by forming a fatty acid barrier over the skin surface. Trehalose pulls water into the skin to make it softer and more radiant, and niacinamide is brilliant at strengthening the moisture barrier while calming your complexion. How you'll use it: smooth it over your skin each morning under sunscreen like your new Roche-Posay SPF for a plumper, dewier complexion over time. The sunscreen part is key since firming treatments only work if you protect your skin from the sun. Makes sense. Okay, next is the Verb Ghost Oil, which makes me giggle at the name. Look at the viscosity though, like, ooh, yeah. Okay, anyway, I think this is also full size and it's $18, so a lot more budget friendly than the other one. So, run this oil over a finished look like a bun, puff, or ponytail to add shine and a little something extra. Why, you'll love it. The best kinds of hair products are the ones anyone, regardless of hair texture, can use, and Verb's beloved Ghost Oil fits the bill. It lives up to its name, feeling so weightless in your hair that as you run through it, it's almost like nothing is in there at all. But then as you work it in, you see your hair getting smoother and shinier without the heaviness many oils leave behind. How you'll use it: you can use this oil to polish jagged ends and smooth thirsty, ragged strands by running 2 or 3 drops through your damp or dry hair. It is also a great finisher if you've blown out or straightened your hair and want a sleeker look without that oily texture. I'm debating, do I do it right now, or will I just regret my life choices? I want to put it on the ends. We're gonna go for it. I don't usually do this when it comes to hair products, but just a couple drops, like, come on, I gotta prime the pump. It's not coming up yet. Whoa, okay, that is more than enough, I guess. We're doing more than the ends. Oh boy. Oh, it smells really good. All right, that's not so bad. I'm kind of digging that. I need a little more for the back. I'm being very, very conservative with it though, because I don't want to overdo it. Because my hair especially, like, it goes from it's helping to oil slick like hella fast with no in between. So just going very, very conservatively with it. But I'm tempted to go up higher. Like, I'm like, it goes against every rule of everything I ever use on my hair, but I kind of want to. Am I gonna regret my life choices if I do it? Probably, but worst case scenario, I'll wash my hair again, so fuck it. We're gonna go for it. We're going higher. Oh boy. Is it gonna make my hair separate and look all gross like I haven't bathed in a month or something? We're gonna find out. It's like it was just washed yesterday, so it should not be all gross and grimy. Okay, that is where we're gonna stop with that, because that is more than plenty for my dry ass hair. So, but I can't get over how nice that smells. Like, honestly, I'm shook at that part. I don't have a comb or a brush right here next to me downstairs, so I can't like properly brush it, but just going through with my fingers, it does feel like hella smoother, just for whatever that's worth to you, if anything. But yeah, it doesn't look terrible or anything, I don't think. Like, kind of just fluffing it out, and it doesn't look like awful. It seems to have helped the frizz, which is good because it's humid AF right now, and there is not much I can do about that, no matter how much shit I put on my hair. So that is quite all right. I think I'm down with this. I'll do a proper review another day, but just initial trial run, that is not bad. That is not bad. Okay. Normally my hair cannot take any kind of hair oil if it's dry. That's why I was so like, do I, don't I, do I, don't I? I feel brave, I'm gonna do it. Okay, so next we have, ooh, look at the size of that. From Ahava, the mineral hand cream in cactus and pink pepper. This is a hand cream in this big a bottle? I am shook. 5.1 fluid ounces. And this is $36. Why you'll love it. A 20-second wash will keep your hands clean, and a 5-second massage with Ahava mineral hand cream, cactus and pink pepper right after will keep them silky. The lotion feels light on skin, but is infused with lots of hydrating ingredients, minerals from the Dead Sea, glycerin, and smoothing witch hazel. After rubbing in a small dollop, skin feels soft, never the least bit sticky. Good, because we all know how I feel about that. How you'll use it. This tube is a handy addition to any work bag, but it also looks pretty sitting on your sink. A pink floral scented reminder to moisturize your hands after washing them. It's really pretty. I love that color. Alright, so far I'm digging everything we've gotten in here. Okay, where is this? Oh, it's a little guy. Oh, so cute. This is not full size. This is like Pyeongkang Yules or K-Beauty staples for hydrated, nourished skin. So this is the Pyeongkang Yule Essence Toner. Full size is 6.8 ounces. This is 1 ounce, so clearly not full size. But the full size is only $19, so if I like it, I can get more easily. So, let's see here. Why you'll love it. This waterless essence is delicate yet potent. The hydrating formula goes on super thin, so it's perfect for layering under the rest of your skincare. The elegant texture also makes the perfect hydrator for muggy spring days and hot, humid summer months. And it still manages to make skin soft and hydrated with a subtle, natural glow. How you'll use it, sprinkle a few drops on your fingertips and smooth it over your skin before putting on anything else. Follow with your usual routine, topped off with the La Roche-Posay sunscreen that's also in your box. Okay. I will do that another time because I already have my skincare on for the day. Ooh. We all knew, if you guys knew I was in here, you knew I'd be excited about this. It's a lip balm. So, $5. You can get it at Target. It's the Apto Skincare Orange Blossom. Ooh, Orange Blossom Lip Balm. Makes lips look plump and feel soft to the touch, all while delivering smooth hydration. Why you'll love it. There are so many lip balms, lip masks, and lip oils to choose from, but Apto Skincare Orange Blossom Lip Balm has a permanent place on editors' vanities. The formula inside this squeezable tube is incredibly rich with a fresh citrus scent and drenches lips in hydration. It is also made with skin-nourishing, antioxidant-rich ingredients like coconut and soybean oils. How you'll use it. Swipe it over your lips. Even our most dry and chapped lip-prone editors say that they don't find they need to reapply more than 3 times a day. Use any excess ointment on the outermost corners of your mouth, the areas that tend to be forgotten yet can easily become dry, red, or cracked. Want to smell it? Ooh, that smells nice. Oh, I'm excited for this. Oh my goodness. Getting reviewed soon. Alright, next up, little bitty La Roche-Posay Anthelios Melton Milk Sunscreen SPF 60. To be fair, this is at least bigger than most of them are. Usually we get itty bitty little dot size samples of this stuff, so I'm kind of happy for this. So full size would be 150 milliliters. This is 15, but full size is $37, which isn't terrible. It wears like a really good moisturizer and keeps your SPF ritual feeling like self-care rather than a chore, which is always nice. Why you'll love it. The cardinal rule of skincare is to wear sunscreen every day, and having La Roche-Posay's SPF 60 on hand makes following it a breeze. The lotion feels more like a sophisticated moisturizer and less beach in a bottle, and its high SPF value is ideal. There's no greasy residue, no chalkiness, and no excessive rubbing. On no makeup days, it'll leave your complexion looking fresh and hydrated. How you'll use it: smooth it on as the last step in your skincare routine and reapply at least every 2 hours if you're spending time outdoors. It's seamless under makeup. Cool, cool. Then we have an ad for the Reader's Choice Awards box, which I think I already unboxed. More of the member store picks bullshit. And then I guess we just have a couple of bonus items that are just like somebody paid to have these thrown in. These can be bought on Amazon there. Latin US Beauty. If humidity is making your hair extra frizzy, you need Impossible Keratin Control. Enjoy your frizz-free hair. 30% discount on Amazon now. So I have a shampoo and conditioner to help with frizzies. Granted, they're sample sizes, but I mean, at least I can try them out. But yeah, Tolly, shush. Anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. My goodness, Tolly, come here. No doing this at how. Oh my goodness. Anyway, hold on. Strange little dog. I walked over to go pick her up and she ran off, so I don't know. But anyway, so you know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do around this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.